Is the oldest barely standing structure in Midnight Falls. Assured residents that no radioactive toxic waste. Hundreds of barrels. The voice of Midnight Falls. Sounds like a wagon was passing by our Amadeus Speed and time machine is offering a monster sale for those of you sailing into paradise. Says Midnight is home to the hearts of the brave, so is still missing after an alleged alien encounter. been compared to that of a decaying carcass. A fine addition to an already deadly collection of venomous flytraps, poison ivy, and anthropomorphic hedges possess the sales of the lovely hardy mountains. Keep your bag
This is more like LA than anything. The whole city over here. Holy shit.
as the unstable tunnels are marked for demolition. Trespassers arriving by vehicle or on foot are subject to burning, combustion, and/or total annihilation by dynamite.